Manglaba, Myanmar. Today we are leaving the boat. Sad day. Met some great people. I'm gonna miss everybody. What's up? Bye-bye room. Gonna miss you. Shout out to the tub. This place was awesome. Mandalay Suite.
Had so much fun.
We'll have a reunion tour sometime.
I love you, Ray.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Happy Citrus, watch us, please.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
I don't know.
Well, everyone's filing into taxis right now. People are going to airport. People are staying in Mandalay. Thank you so much for the experience. Unbelievable, lifetime experience. Thank you so much.
It was all about the people. It was the people who made it. Thanks for coming.
Appreciate it.
I love you so much. I miss you.
All right.
See you again.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. Promise we're leaving. We're leaving. Have a safe trip.
I hope we'll see you next year.
Bye, Cara. Bye, Dave. Bye, Bob. See you, Cara. One more time.
We're on a meter over here. We're on a meter.
Bye!
How was it?
So, Bagan King Hotel.
Yes. Yes.
Supper is ready for you, Daddy and Mommy.
Yes, we will be home on Friday. Hi, Princess!
Just made it to our hotel, Bagan King Hotel. We'll be here for the next 2 days. Rain's inside, sucking up that AC, drinking that juice. Let's check it out. Right there. You're not on the list. Your name's not on there.
Where?
Right here on the list.
Where's my name?
You're not going.
I'm the one who's paying for it. Why do I have my name?
What day is it? Every night?
Every night. And this is like the shopping area.
This is all night market.
Yeah.
Also, you can walk or no?
Nice. Welcome to Bagan King Hotel, room 209. A free room we got from American Express. Shout out to American Express points. Over here is the bathroom. Rainfall shower. Obviously the throne. Right here is the golden sink. Come with the amenities. Toothbrush, I guess. A toothbrush. And a toothpaste. Comb, shower cap, sewing kit, cotton and cotton buds. This is shampoo. Shower gel, so I believe this is the body lotion. Okay, 42-inch TV, king size bed, Android, floppy 4 pillows, old school telephone. Hello, hello, baby, ta-na-na-na-na. water heater, mini fridge, prices, room service menu, complimentary water, tea, coffee, creamer, closet. Look at these details. It's so pretty. Hammers, safe, laundry bag, and the hair dryer.
That's it, guys. That's the Superior Room right here at the Bagan King Hotel. I hope you enjoyed your tour. Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much.
Now it's time for me to sleep.
You're sick?
Yeah, I don't feel good.
Oh, poor boy.
My body aches.
Body aches. And look, we just decided for her room service.
The whole week just caught up to me.
Okay. Good night, Jer. I'll eat by myself.
I wasn't feeling well when I got to the hotel. Slept about 5 hours. Feeling a little better now. We're gonna have a meetup with some people from the Myanmar cruise. We'll go eat some barbecue. I saw their YouTube video, Karen Nate's YouTube video. I was like, man, I wanna go there. Shoot, let's go. Yeah.
We're gonna try the Burmese barbecue. We're gonna meet Karen, Nate, Trisha, and Mel, and maybe some other people from the cruise. We'll see who's in there. But right now we're riding a tuk-tuk. The tuk-tuk looks nice too.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We just made it to the restaurant. Let's go inside and check it out.
Garlic. Do you?
I do. I couldn't decide if I was going to do meat or not, but I did a couple small meats.
Yep.
Look at that.
Oh, look at
Are
that.
they labeled?
An entire
You eat the
skewer
garlic.
of garlic cloves.
Yeah.
That's a little basket. I'm gonna show him a real basket right now.
Don't embarrass me, please.
It's like Easter egg hunting. You just gotta get
No
everything
shame.
in your basket.
No
No
shame,
shame at all.
Jeremy.
Get everything.
Eat what you want to
I'm gonna
eat.
eat
You're
what I
on
want.
vacation.
I'm on vacation, drink what I want to do. We're doing it up. We don't care.
I won't judge you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm probably going to get just as much as you.
All right.
Down fish, bye-bye.
Fish, very tasty.
Smashed it.
Okay, then you never know.
This is by for reals.
Bye, Mel. Bye, Trisha. Bye, Lance. Bye, Susan.
How's the food?
Dude, that's the best food. That's a good food. And it's cheap.
That food costs 14,000 kyat,
Yes.
which is like, I don't know, 10 bucks maybe.
Shots.
But
14,000
we
shots.
are gonna ride a tuk-tuk. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna end it here. I don't know what else we're gonna do. I'm gonna sleep. I'm kind of hungover. I threw up last night. So sad, so sad. Next year, I'm the captain. I'm the captain next year. Okay?
Start doing it again.